Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Very important day today. It's the beginning of season, earnings season, that is, and it's going to be a very busy week. We have lots to cover. Virgin Galactic flight coming up. Some very important Virgin Galactic information I'm about to give to you as well. A very important bit of information. So let's get ready. It's going to be a huge week. As you can see, I'm up this morning. My portfolio is green. My Roth IRA is also green today. And my balance is 63,235. Lovely stuff. Things are looking good. And we're off to a good start. If it's your first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell if you like what you see. And excuse me, I apologize. And it's a live show. And as always, tap the like button. It helps spread the news around. And of course, if you like the video, you'll be shown my content again. If you tap the down like, then you won't. So you can decide whether you like this content or not. You have the right to vote for what you want to see. So please get involved. Don't just sit there and moan. Vote and get engaged with the family. We're very proud to say 98% of our live viewers are members. It's the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube TV. And that's paid members, not gifted members. So I want to stress that. That's very important, okay? The gifted ones are not included in that analytic. All right, let's see who was here this morning. We've got lots to cover, lots going on, and some very important Virgin Galactic news. I'm finally in the money with PayPal. Quite emotional. Niels, I'm sure, and I understand what that feels like. I really do. Try to get rid of that emotion, though. It's that very emotion that can bring you down again. Consistently beating the market, consistently making money is what it's about. If you make money one day and the next day lose it, you're right back where you started. So take some profits, find a way to improve your position. But I congratulate you on finally making some money. That's great. Hi, Niels. Good morning, Mike. Good morning, Henrik from Denmark. Good morning. Henry, Bill, Niels, morning. John Granfor. Good morning, Henrik. Jacob, how is your wife's investment space going? Wink, wink. Jacob, I've no idea what the wink, wink is for, but I'm about to talk to the Virgin Galactic investors in just a few minutes to update you on all of that. Some very important news for Virgin Galactic investors. Very important news. Virgin Galactic investors do not want to miss it. All right, that's coming up in just a few minutes' time. So I'm not sure what the wink, wink means, but I've replied to you. Okay, so Virgin Galactic, let's go through our positions today. Virgin Galactic, as you can see, is flat today. It popped up and just dropped back on the line. Palantir is up today. Gold is down. We've bought our gold mine now. And the S&P 500 is up today, 0.38. Very nice indeed. Amazon is up, just pulling back now. Apple is up. These are very expensive stocks. Too expensive to buy individually. Next-Gen Energy is up. Enphase Energy is up. That's nice. Nice buy-in now. Enphase Energy, extremely good value at $104. Extremely good value. Coca-Cola is becoming cheap again. Anything below 60 is a good buy. It's up, but just falling back. Same with J&J. Anything around the 160 is good. It's going to 200. That's good. Kenvue, up today. Very nice indeed. Chevron, of course, we've got oil prices rising again. We'll look at the oil price in a few moments. And Tesla is up, but falling back. Tesla is very expensive, but its PEG ratio is now one of the best times to buy it, which is good. Rivian, it just follows Tesla half the time. I'm not that bothered about it. McDonald's, sound, you can't overpay for land. It always seems to make money. Google is up, and Microsoft is up. Walmart is up today. Tilray is up today. 0.5%. Robinhood is up 1%. Very nice indeed. Good buy at the moment. IonQ still too expensive. Rocket Labs is a good deal now. $4.90. Plug Power There we go. We are starting. The short squeeze is about to happen. No doubt about it. Look at this now. We have seen all the information. I gave you the information over the weekend. What's going on, where we would start today, and it's happening. We're up another 4%. If you look where we were now, we were at 225 when I bought it, and now we're at 280, and huge amounts of short interest, something like 48% right now. And we've got volume building as well. So this could be a big week for Plug. But of course, we have the earnings around the corner. We've got the special announcement tomorrow from Plug. So all of that could be a pump before it dumps. We need to be aware of all that information. So we'll be covering all of that. Carry on. Let's go. Rumble is up today. Of course, Donald Trump now is favorite to win the presidency of the United States of America. Ron DeSantis has dropped out. There's no competition left. I guess it comes down to is Biden going to face him? Well, we shall see. Anyway, it looks like anything related to Donald Trump. So that's DWAC, Rumble, we've got Funware. They're all going to do well on the back of this. Funware, talking about Funware, there it is. There it is. I didn't even see it, and I was right. Up 9.75 today. Be very, very careful. This is popularity contest, protest voting. It's not for me. It's gambling. You can make money, but it's not the way I do business. Rio Tinto is down today. Sidda Space is now down 0.87. A good time to buy Sidda Space, perhaps. Lilium NV. Bitcoin is down 0.45, and Matic Polygon is down 0.43, and XRP is down 1.2. Still see that as a $7 token. Okay, let's come back to Virgin Galactic just for the moment. I've got a big announcement with Virgin Galactic in a few moments' time, so please bear with me. I've got a big statement to make with Virgin Galactic. Very, very useful for all the viewers. Okay, let me just check a couple of things. All right, that's all looking good. Thanks. Yes, take my seed money out. I might be a good idea. Said Niels. Good morning, Juan Show. I think that's right. I hope I pronounced it correctly. Morning, John. Sorry for the confusion. I just meant that we're all love space and are invested in one way. Yes, indeed. I am very much invested in space. I spent 2.5 years studying it, and I've got an announcement today with Virgin Galactic which you don't want to miss. Hello, Sensei Crypto. Good morning to you, mate. How are you? Morning, Sensei. Welcome to all my audience on TikTok. Let me put you on the screen. I've got my TikTok army this morning. 38,000 of you. Let me share on the screen. Let me put it on the screen so everyone can see. Here we go. Here's my TikTok army this morning. How are you? If you tap the screen like I'm doing now, it shares the stream out. See the little loves on the screen? That's me doing that. Welcome to you. How are you all this morning? See the little star above my head? That's the Luca badge. We've got 7 members of the Luca Badge Club. And basically, what that gets is I will message you. I will tag you in my viral posts. Here we go. We've got one of our Luca Badge owners in right now. And I will answer all your questions, make videos for you. You can send me private messages, and I will reply to all your messages and answer your questions in videos and all that kind of stuff. So you get many, many perks. There we go. We've got number 1. There he is. He's just become number 1. Has just become my top gifter. Look at that. That's Bill, who's a member on my YouTube channel as well. But if you are a Luca Badge, you've clicked the star above my head. You can ask me questions. I will reply to all your comments on TikTok and make you videos and tag you in the viral posts to help you grow as well. All right, there you go. Fantastic. Thank you, Bill, for being here this morning. Love that stuff. All right, here we go. Now then, we've got a Virgin Galactic announcement to make in a few moments. Hi, John, Mike, Kamala Dahal, good morning. You're going to fly with it. Say it. You're going to fly with it, Martin. Say it. Mitch NL, what do you mean exactly? People who purchase Sidus on a higher rate, should they need to worry? Well, no, I wouldn't be worrying. I'm not worrying. And the way I look at it is this. Sidus space, it was always inevitable that would get a dip. So if you prepared an allocation to buy Sidus space, you need to have allowed enough to buy the dip to average down. If you had $1,000 and you bought everything when it was $10 and you've spent your $1,000, you can't buy it now at 8, right? Or $7.94. You can't do that. What I do when I invest is I always allow an allocation for a stock. And I go, right, I've got $1,000 for this stock. I'm going to buy it at this level because I like it. But I'm going to allow myself money to buy the dip. So I'll maybe spend 500 in the initial, what I call marker shares. So I've got myself in on the stock. And then when it drops 5-10% or whatever, I will spend another 20. And then if it goes even further, I will spend the last 30% to finish off my allocation. That's how I play it. I don't go all in at that level. Now, it's very different in the S&P, of course, because I just transferred my stocks across and I wanted everything to be in, so my portfolio would be the same. And that's exactly why I did that. But normally, if I'm buying a position, I've allocated a certain amount, I've balanced on a balanced portfolio, and I've got money to buy down. So those of you now should be buying down to average your bring your average down, which is expected because we haven't got the date yet for the flight on SpaceX. So this is expected. As soon as we do, of course, then things are going to go back up again. How can you buy into this gold mine? You can't now. You can't now. We had a guest on the show, Jefferson Boots of Diversified Mineral Group. He's got a privately owned gold mine, and I bought in. We all had a chance for a few weeks to buy in, and the company is going to IPO soon. So we've all got in with a convertible note, which you get a discount for, and then you get a further discount. You immediately make 10%, and then you get a 25% discount when the stocks go public and they convert. Whatever price, whenever you do it, you'll get a 25% discount. So it's fantastic. So I've got my paperwork here. Actually, it arrived in a big envelope. It's in my drawer. I won't get it out, but a big envelope with my convertible note a couple of days ago. So, yeah, I'm ready to go. Unfortunately, that time has passed now. We talked about it for several weeks. But when the mine goes public on the New York Stock Exchange, you'll see it. You'll see it. I'll transfer it to Robinhood, and then I will convert, and you'll see that. You'll see that happen. I won't be selling the shares. I'll be holding them. All right, because gold is expected to do very, very well. Hello, is everyone? Hope all is well with you and yours. Jardastic is here. We've got our two star guests in the house today. We've got our two super gifters. We've got, of course, Santa Bill. Santa Bill is here, even though it's not Christmas anymore. We like Santa Bill. And we've also got Yardstick as well, is our Easter Bunny. He's got his mug there, and later on you might see his video. This pops up when we get super gifting from our super gifters. Then you might see these pop up, and there's special videos and everything else. What's your favorite Virgin Galactic moment? Mine is when they first announced the official start of their commercial operations on Twitter, and the stock doubled overnight. Jacob, let me think about that. Remind me again later on in the show if I've not answered you. Would see Martyn with Arnold to be a passenger on the Virgin flight, both smoking a big cigar and going, "Get to the chopper." Laugh out loud, says Mike. All right, okay. We've got some reviews to do today. I had some videos come out over the weekend as promised. I said to you this weekend I'm working extra. Did you all see them? Let me refresh the screen and let's see if you all saw them. And I've got a Virgin Galactic announcement coming up. So let me share with you. These two videos came out over the weekend, and you can see they're very popular. 36 times my average, 36 views per hour and 43. These are doing very, very well on my channel at the moment. With the Google partnership. And if you've not yet seen this, we've got Polestar has a partnership with Google. Very, very interesting. You want to go and check that out. All right, that's Polestar. We've also got the short squeeze as well for FSR. FSR, Fisker. That's very important as well. We've got huge amounts of news around this stock now, huge amounts of short interest, good news, and everything else. So you might want to go and check that out as well. Updates on the car faults and everything else. We've also got a short squeeze, which we're talking about today, Plug Power. That video came out as well just before the weekend. So as promised, I worked over the weekend and brought these out. Plus, I'm working on the 24-hour stream. Plus, I've got a very important Virgin Galactic announcement, which I've been working on over the weekend. As promised, as I said I would, contrary to those who live on Reddit who said, well, you'll hear about that in a minute. So anyway, space, I got a buy order at 160. Congratulations, Chris Pickering. All right, it's Virgin Galactic time. I'm going to make a video, which will go out later. You'll catch me live, so you can be part of it. So let's prepare this now. A special Virgin Galactic announcement. Okay. Let me bring it up on the screen for those that are interested in Virgin Galactic. Now then. For the purpose of this video, I am going to leave it open to the general public. Normally, I make it members only, but because we don't want non-members, trolls, those that sit in dark rooms to be able to ruin it. However, I am going to give this, I am going to open it up, and we've already got them coming in. Here we go. This is ridiculous. How can you say you want to be impartial so you can interview CEOs and the only CEO I've spoken to shares get discount? You are fully contrary. Here we go. So this is exactly what I want right now. We're going to open it up to, now to the non-members. So I'm going to make a Virgin Galactic special. It's in reference to Reddit. And this is going to go out later on. So, Mike, let the trolls, let them speak for this video. Let them speak, okay? It's really important because I'm going to use them in the video. I'm going to allow them to speak their mind in the making of this video. They want to speak, so we're going to give them a voice. This is a Virgin Galactic special right now. And here we go. So it's 20 minutes in. This is for all of those on Reddit. SPCE 20. Okay, here we go. Is Buckaroony here? Is Buckaroony here? Buckaroony, because Buckaroony will be part of this as well. Buckaroony. So, Buckaroony, you are here. So, feel free to add your comments to the making of this video. What happened to you over the weekend with Reddit and so on and so forth, okay? Right, we're all set. We're all set for a very important Virgin Galactic announcement. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we are ready. We've got everything ready. Virgin Galactic special announcement. Over the weekend, lots has been going on with Virgin Galactic. I'm going to address a particular community, but I'm also going to address my relationship with Virgin Galactic. Now, over the weekend, there was lots of mention of me on Reddit. And I'm going to share with you this information here. And this is very important to share with you. As you can see here, this is the SPCE subreddit channel on on Reddit. Of course, there it is. You can see our SPCE. They've got 21,000 members, so they're quite an active group. And they posted my video of the farewell of me exiting Virgin Galactic. They went on to say this, and this is very, very important because I'm about to now tell you what has happened since this and my relationship with Virgin Galactic. And we are making this during a live video, so those of you can comment live, and I welcome you to do so. Firstly, I'm in no way suggesting anyone actually watch this video, bearing in mind they put the video on their channel. As many of you know, Martyn Lucas, or in my opinion, Mr. Tumble of investing, has been keen supporter of Virgin Galactic. After countless spamming and clickbaiting, I don't know how you spam your own channel, because I never post on Reddit, never post in your channel, never post on anyone's channel. So the very definition of spamming, please look in the English dictionary, means you put information on other people's sources. So you're infiltrating other people's spaces. I only put my information on my profiles, never message it to anyone, never do anything like that at all. It's all on my content. You come to me. So it's impossible to spam your own channel. That's ridiculous. Clickbaiting, well, I've explained clickbaiting before. Nothing about my services is clickbaiting at all, other than it tells you what hints at what the story is, so you have to watch it. The people that live on Reddit don't actually ever watch through the videos. They just want to rant, and I'm going to share with you some information, and you're going to love this. So please stick with me, because I've been in conversation with Virgin Galactic over the weekend. So you're going to find this very interesting. Anyway, through the years, he seems to have convinced himself that he should not only interview Michael Cole-Glazier, but also become a representative for their company and take over the social media. That's absolutely right. I believe I can do a better job, and so do my viewers. And we do represent 95% of the world's retail investors on our channel. No question, we've done it, we've proved it, and I've presented that information to Virgin Galactic, and they've accepted it. So there you go. It would only seem obvious to that company would want to distance themselves with such a character. You're saying they want to distance themselves from me. However, what I'm about to tell you is I've been in conversation with them over the weekend, and what you're about to find out is the very opposite of what you consistently say on your Reddit channel. What with the space products that he's selling, the songs he creates with their brand, and the countless videos advertising in micro trades. The space products, yes, I have space products, and if you actually look, that it is not their brand at all. If you look at the logo, they are all my own logos, not the Virgin Galactic logo. They're completely different fonts. Everyone knows it who knows anything about Virgin, so please look closely and you'll see. And yes, I wrote a song about it. Well, why not? I actually took the time to do something creative as the world piano man, having toured 195 countries, selling out thousands and theatres around the world to millions of people around the world for over 37 years. So I think I'm qualified to do that, and also done it for Sir Richard Branson himself. Micro trades, don't dismiss the scale of anyone's trades. We've got people here with the biggest shares in retail space on Virgin Galactic, and people with 2 or 3 shares of Virgin Galactic. They're equally important. Recently, I had a little meltdown. I didn't have a meltdown at all. I expressed my disappointment, and when you find out what happened, you will realize it was the right thing to do. Because another rival space YouTuber, not a rival space YouTuber at all, the only reason why he got asked to interview Michael was because of the Motley Fool, not because of his channel. His channel is 1/10 of the size of mine. He doesn't go live, and Eric Kearney, who is the investor relations, explained that to me. It was nothing to do with his channel at all. It was everything to do with the Motley Fool. Simple as that. So again, there was no meltdown at all. And when I explain what happens next, you'll realize I was right. How dare they? Never actually said how dare they, I don't believe. Anyway, understandably, this bruised Martyn's ego terribly. My ego is not bruised. Again, I repeat, I've toured all over the world as the world piano man. I don't regard myself as a superstar because I'm on YouTube and I have an ego that's bashed because some guy on YouTube who 5 minutes ago had another job, has been asked to interview Michael Cole-Glazier. People, thousands of people, I would imagine, over the years have interviewed Michael Cole-Glazier. This is not something unique and unique to one person, and my time will come, and that's really not really an issue anyway, as I'll explain in this video in a few moments from now. All right, moving on. Put him down softly by saying, we can't have investors interviewing the CEO. And so he used this as an excuse not to continue working for him officially. Don't really understand that part. I'll read that again. Investor relations lead to eventually put him down softly by saying, we can't have investors interviewing the CEO. I never said investors can't interview the CEO. That's ridiculous. We all know that anyone who interviews anyone on TV may have shares in the company. It's just not you're advertising it or linking it to the conversation directly. You can own shares, of course you can, and my wife now holds all my Virgin Galactic shares. Of course you can own the shares, it's just not part of the conversation. You're not trying to create some kind of buzz around your personal allocation. That's a completely different thing. Martyn, comically enough, doesn't see this as a deterrent. In fact, this makes sense to him. Solution: sell all my stocks, his entire position in everything, and buy a SAP index. I like that comment there, SAP index. It's the favorite of Warren Buffett. So I'm okay being a SAP with Warren Buffett. I've got no problem with that at all. And my portfolio will reach $1 million live in front of you, and it will reach 10 million subscribers live right in front of you. So yes, you're right. I have joined the SAP club with Warren Buffett and half of Wall Street. But there you go. I will listen to you next time. So Virgin Galactic can see him as an analyst rather than an investor. Well, I will address that in a moment as well, of what's happened with that decision over the weekend. He just doesn't seem to understand that they wouldn't want him involved in their company. Oops, I'll tell you about that in a moment. Not like there could be any legal implications with brand infringement or literally hundreds of videos referring to his trades with space. That comment makes no sense. So anyway, that is apparently, so that's it. Apparently, he sold his stake, all 4,000 shares, trying to belittle my 4,000 shares, like that's like the number of shares is relevant. It's not, and it's disrespectful to everybody who holds less. As much as I cringe whenever I see the face pop up on Twitter, well, the answer to that is you simply unfollow me or click do not wish to see. So you don't have to see me every day and spend your life cringing. I don't know why you would do that, but there you go. Or YouTube, again, unsubscribe from me and click do not show me this channel. It's very, very easy to do that. I'm genuinely interested in how he will react when he finally gets that he's not going to recurve insider information from the company. Perhaps there will be a song. Perhaps there will be a song. Absolutely. Why not? Anyway, he then goes on to saying, perhaps though this is our inverse Kramer. Now Martyn is without doubt. Now Virgin Galactic is without. Now Martyn is out. We're ready to fly. I actually take that as a compliment that you refer to me as Jim Cramer. I don't think Jim Cramer makes a lot of sense. I don't particularly find his information useful. However, he's a multimillionaire on TV every day with a very successful channel. So if you think I'm Jim Cramer or I'm the new Jim Cramer or whatever, I take that as a compliment because at least I'm now being seen and my channels are growing, I'm making money and I'm being successful, even though you don't agree with me. Anyway, after all of this, There were lots of other conversations of people going backwards and forwards and so on and so forth. I'm not going to labor on the point. You can go and check yourself, right? A lot of what you would call online bullying, people saying all kinds of negative stuff and having a go. And then, of course, my friends, my army, the Lucasades, they joined in. They offered their side of the story, but of course they were all shut out. One particular friend of mine who's in the chat right now, Buckaroony, he actually commented to this and he gave his opinion and actually corrected the facts, and they just deleted his post. So what they want is not a debate, an educated conversation. They want a one-sided rant, and then anyone who comes in who wishes to have an opinion, a different opinion, they are just shut out and told to go away. And that's what happened. Now then, when I was younger, I was bullied at school for about 7 years. I'm telling you this just before I come on to my conversation with Virgin Galactic and what has actually happened since all of this. When I was at school, I was bullied by a boy called Paul Morris. He was a bit like these guys in Reddit. He lived in dark corners, and on the way home from school, he would hide around the corner with his mates, never on his own, with a bunch of his friends, and they would set about me. And I would arrive home for several years with bloodied noses and ripped shirts. And why? Because I spent my time in the music room and I was different from him, and he didn't understand me and he didn't like me. And despite I was very, successful at school with my music and so on, he felt the need to get his mates together, never on his own, normally about 5 or 6, and then beat me on the way home. And I would arrive at home covered in blood and upset, and my parents were upset and so on. This went on for years. However, when I left school, I then decided to put all that energy into being successful. That success and that confidence now, because when I was a young boy, I didn't have any confidence. It was all beaten out of me by a young boy equal age to me called Paul Morris with his band of 6 guys, 6 friends, never on his own. Otherwise, things may have been different. I then put all that energy to go on in life and make a success of myself. I've had a wonderful life. I've had successful businesses. I've toured all over the world. And now I'm building a successful TV show, which is growing and doubling its rate of growth every month, and so on and so forth. So my message to you is, if you are going to try to intimidate or bully somebody, first of all, know that you are bullying a real person, a human being who may, others, not me, because I've gained in strength from what happened when I was younger. But there are many online creators that have taken their own lives, that have been very upset and traumatized by this sort of action. It won't happen for me. I see it as a positive, because you are promoting my channel, even though it is in a negative way. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter to me at all. It used to. When I started this, it reminded me when I was younger, but now I draw strength from it. And so just bear that in mind. Now, if you are going to continue with this kind of negative approach that you wish to attack people, just like Paul Morris, who was just one boy, there was a group of them all together. Face me on your own. Of course, you won't do that because you don't engage open discussion. When my audience come in to have a discussion and correct your facts, what you actually do is shut them out, because all you want to do is make yourself feel important, sit in the corner and rant at each other. So please continue, but no, it doesn't bother me anymore. And in fact, I use it to gain strength to do what I'm about to tell you with Virgin Galactic. So anyway, after I've explained about the bullying and I've explained what they're doing and so on and so forth, I'm now going to say what actually happened on the back of all of that. So, as you know, I was speaking to Eric Kearney, who is the investor relations manager, but not just him, many other representatives from many other companies of all that I represent and all that I talk about. And it has been made quite clear to me, it's much better if we talk to you as a non-investor directly. That doesn't mean to say I can't own the shares, and I am still fully invested, but my wife holds my positions. I just do not have it in the conversation that I'm discussing with management and those that work at the companies and so on and so forth. If I'm sharing on the screen my shares, it just shows a conflict of interest. It's not the way it's done, and as my show grows, it's important to do things. To do things this way. So anyway, over the weekend, you heard what that Redditor said there. The company want nothing to do with him and so on and so forth and all the rest of it. Well, that couldn't be further from the truth, because in a few days' time, we are reporting the live flight, of course, on the 26th. And we will be having interviews with those that work at Virgin Galactic. And all of you now, and this is a very specific audience, because I'm going to do what you did to me now, but I'm going to do it in spades, okay? You shut out my audience from being able to have a debate, so now I'm going to do it 10 times, tenfold. This is what we're going to do. Yesterday, I spoke to Eric Kearney, and Eric Kearney replied to me, and I posted the content here on my X. He said, "Hi, Martyn. Thanks for the notes. I was discussing all about different things to do with all of this over the weekend. Thanks for the note. Hope you had a good weekend." I did. "Happy to connect this week and answer your questions you may have related to the business or upcoming flights. Thanks, Eric." Eric wants to have a conversation with me the upcoming week before the flights, to give us, the investors, information on the upcoming flights. So, and this is the response I'm getting now from all of those that I did the right thing with my portfolio and all the rest of it. So it's continually onward and upward for my channel. We're doing all the right stuff, and there is the evidence right there that it's working. So what we're going to do is we are going to have members only, because everybody that sits in Reddit excludes the discussion. They just want to rant and rave to themselves. So please carry on. Your voice is completely and utterly useless. I will give this to my viewers, my members. So my members, if you message me, if you see this here, this post on X, it's inviting all of you to put questions to Eric before the flight. Before the flight, you can find out things before the flight. So we'll go to this post here. It says here, Virgin Galactic flight questions. Leave in comments. I'll pick the best ones to put to Virgin Galactic. You will have a voice. The friends on, I say friends, I'm trying to be respectful. Our friends on Reddit, this is not open to you. So how are we going to do this? Well, what we're going to do is you can put comments here, questions you'd like to ask Virgin Galactic. But what I'd like you to do, so we only have questions from the members of our channel, not the trolls and people like that, is go to any one of my videos on YouTube and comment with and give me your question you'd like me to put to Eric before the flight. So we're going to get some questions answered. So I will know that you'll remember, because you'll be replying to my video at my YouTube channel, and your badge will come up, so I know you remember, and I will have those questions to put to Eric. So there you go. There's a little update with Virgin Galactic, and I've had similar correspondence from other companies that I am related with and we're talking about. This was a very, very good move. The channel is consistently growing. The audience is consistently growing. And now we are getting information from Virgin Galactic. So my final thoughts on this is, if you are an online bully and you wish to try to discredit or intimidate somebody, first of all, remember they're a human being. They have emotions. They're just trying to do their best. But for me, it makes no difference at all. I've been bullied. I know what it feels like. It kept me up at night for years. It was a traumatic part of my life. I've used it to gain strength, to help others, and it doesn't affect me, but it will affect others. So please, respectfully, don't do it. However, if you have strong opinions about something, allow others to talk to you and share their opinions. That way, you will engage like we do here. I've allowed everybody here to comment during the making of this video. No one is shut out. So I encourage you to do the same. Perhaps you might like to go on like that. But anyway, there's my final thoughts. Whether you agree with me or not, or continue to rant and rave in your little dark rooms on Reddit, we are moving forward. Virgin Galactic is moving forward, and everything that you've just said is completely and utterly false, untrue, inaccurate, makes no sense whatsoever. And on that point, if I share with you the growth of my channel, we've got a comment coming in now. We've got 7,000 views in the last 48 hours, and our subscribers just keep rolling around. We're at 14,349. We were only at 14,000 4 days ago. We've gained 349 in just 4 days, and 98% of our live viewers are members, the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube. Anyway, let me, I think I've got a comment just come in here, and this is actually from Buckaroony, as we finish this video, who actually tried to comment with those on Reddit, and I saw his comment. He copied it and sent it to me. It was fair, it was open, it was honest. It wasn't like a fan club from me. It was just the facts, and they shut it out. They didn't want to debate. They didn't want to hear it. They wasn't interested. And this was the comment here. He's just done a super chat to show it on the screen. You know, mate, we have your back, and I'm so happy you brought up about bullying and harassment of yourself. Stuff the haters. There we go. That's just come up from Buckaroony. We've had another one. It's from Rallo1. And it says, the only real and honest channel out there. Go space to Virgin Galactic at $100. Indeed. So there you go. Have an open debate. Don't bully. It's completely useless. But for me, it just drives me on and gets it done. And Eric is meeting with me. So there we go. Thank you very much indeed. I hope you've watched through to the end of this video. I know you haven't because the trolls never do. They only look at the thumbnail and switch off. It happens every single time. Anyway, until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, just going to edit this part of the video. That's video's finished, but I've got a couple of things that are going to pop up in a second.
You know, mate, we have your back, and I am so happy you've brought up about bullying and harassment of yourself. Stuff the haters.
Thank you very much, Buckaroony. I will edit these two together and put this out. And of course, they won't watch this video. They won't be interested in any of that. Anyway, I've done the right thing. I've separated myself from the stock, even though I still own it. And we're now getting information which all of you can put your questions to Eric. There's one more. I'll just add this in a second. This is Rallo1's 10th live super chat.
The only real and honest channel out there. Go SPCE 100.
Thank you, Rallo1. Okay, I'll put those into the video. All right, there we go. That's now done. Thank you very much, guys. For that, I appreciate it. So, now then, let's read some of the comments I may have missed. So here we go. Martin Smelly. Fine. How can you say you want to be impartial so you can interview CEOs? The only CEO I have spoken to will keep his shares and get a discount. You are full of contradictions. What a ridiculous statement that is. The only CEO I've spoken to, first of all, I've spoken to about 10. At least 10, maybe more than that, actually a minimum of 10 via my online conversations. That's ridiculous. And then you said you will keep his shares and get a discount. You will keep his shares and get a discount. Anybody who buys a company before it pre-IPOs gets a discount. That's how the stock market works. So now we've done that. Mike, you can get rid of these people now because they're just talking and they're just annoying. All right, we gave them a chance to talk and they're just talking rubbish. They make it funny. They just post anything. They do. Martyn Investor troll coverage and analysis. Good day, legends. There we go. The trolls on Reddit are obsessed. Let's wind Martyn up with GameStop to the moon. Come on, what's the announcement? This is ridiculous. How can you say you want to be impartial? We said the same comment again. It wasn't getting attention the first time, so we tried to say it again. You sold all your space. You are the troll. Well, that makes sense. That makes sense. Not even true, but anyway, there we go. Where can I find this buckaroony? I don't trust these small company CEOs. They just promote a stock. As I said before, I want to interview CEOs because I want to get behind the business, behind the man, and not just promote their stock. That is not what I'm going to be doing at all. Hello, Lucas Aid. Zach, how are you this morning? There we go. Makes a sense sending your shares to your wife. Right. Makes no sense sending shares to your wife. Yes, it does. It makes perfect sense. Speak to your accountant and your attorney. It makes perfect sense, and the results are quite clear, as I just demonstrated. So how did I have the money? No idea. I don't know. Maybe ask my wife. Maybe we dug it up under the bed. Maybe my wife found some money, on the money tree in the garden. It's got nothing to do with you, you silly little person. Anyway, bet you won't answer any of the questions. I've answered them all. But am I going to tell you where my wife gets her money from? Probably not. It's got probably nothing to do with you. Anyway, Anyway, so Mike, can we get rid of this clown now? Good morning, everyone. That's what happens. It should be a crime, but I've seen it with so many companies. Even USA looks like a plug, etc. I'm not sure I understand that. The subject was deleted, Niels, after my comment. Yeah, Buckaroony was deleted. He wasn't allowed to have a comment. 95% of retail investors prove it. We've shared the information. You've not watched the videos. You've not seen the information because you're not a member. You're not invited to the members only videos because you're a guy called Martin Smelly. So there you go. Anyway, he has already. Thank you, Mike. Thank you. Remember that drinks one of hangovers. That's a perfect example of how small investors. Oh dear, I can't read that out. Who cares about these people? As a family, we are getting stronger every day. Well done, Martin. Yeah, we won't be touching it again, Martin. But it was important to express it this morning once, so you can all understand what's going on behind the scenes, and that I was right to do what I did with my shares. All right, so that's why I've allowed you to do. Why we've addressed it this morning. Anyway, I think the channel is good. Just waste a lot of time talking about bad stocks. Well, that's your opinion, Chris. 90% watching, 30 likes. Let's get the likes up. If you are watching, Ahmed, thank you. Good morning, everyone. I must agree with the legal point. You mean that I've exited from the stock? Directly? Is that what you mean? Plug? Yeah, plug is short squeezing. Like we predicted, I actually put the video out before. Look, there's my analysis on the stock. 4 days ago, there it is. And I put my name in the sand. Unlike those on Reddit who don't want to discuss anything, it's public, it's available. There it is. Short squeeze was there 2 days ago, and as you can see, it's with no doubt about it, it's happening. Now, some of you will say to me, and understandably, you will say to me, how does it feel to be out of a stock which you knew was going to pump and short squeeze and not be in it and merely sat in the S&P 500? as I am here on this channel. Fine, because my responsibility and my priority is not to my own portfolio. I will reach $1 million. I will reach 10 million subscribers. None of that is in debate. None of that is in doubt to me at all. I can see the path. What's important is to provide you with the best information. Providing you with the best information means the channel grows, we all win, and everything is great. That's my aim. So do I mind missing out on a pump? No, I don't. Because the right thing to do was what I did, and I've proved it's right, and I've shown you why I did it, and it's already happening. So it was the right thing for me to do for my audience. And my audience is my priority. Always will be, and always has been, and always will be. So do I feel bad today, missing out? No. No, because I'm looking at a much bigger picture. Much bigger picture. If Plug today goes to $10, which it could, I could have had tens of thousands of dollars. Tens of thousands. And I'll miss out. I won't miss anything because I'm focusing on a much bigger prize. Much bigger prize. So it doesn't matter to me. So please understand, you might feel that because that's your life and how you feel, how you look at life. But don't assume that I feel the same. I absolutely don't. Of course, I would have liked to make more money, but I will make more money in the long run. I'm looking at the bigger picture. So I wish you all the very best. But, on this account, don't forget, I own a lot of this back on my wife's account. So it's trading automatically. I've got buy orders and sell orders automatically set up. I don't have to focus it on the show. That's happening. So I'm making money somewhere else, but this is my account that I'm showing you. This is what I'm doing right here. So, I am, doing the right thing for this channel. Maybe there should be a song for the trolls. Perhaps there will be a song. Love it, Sensei. Laughing out loud, Niels. Good afternoon, everyone. I had the same problem at school. I got chased and beat every day at lunch, going back and forth grades. Bill, wasn't it horrible? Wasn't it flipping horrible? I know. Good afternoon, Lucas Army. Hope everybody had a nice weekend and didn't get blown away if in the UK. Awful, isn't it? What are you now saying about taking your own life was my argument, mate. I was top dog at my school and we never had one bit of bullying in my school for 5 years I was there. I'm so glad. Indeed. Okay, just checking a few things. All right. I was a professor science guy, smarter than them, and got good grades, and then went on to heroin and other hard drugs. Most are dead on 10 years. Oh dear, oh dear. I agree with the conflict of interest. It was no doubt about it. It was the right thing to do. Good afternoon, James. Hi, Zach. Time for a nice cup of tea. Thank you, James. Good afternoon, Craig. Good morning. Wonderful chat. Phoebe, welcome to the show this morning, Phoebe. How are you? Lovely to have you back. Well said, Buckaroony. Good work, Buckaroony. The Lucas Aids are here to support you, Martin. Thank you. I know that. 1,000%, said John Granforce. Nicely done, said David Warnes. Good morning, development. I really mean that too, mate. I know that, mate. I know that 100%. Absolutely, I know it. It's why I'm committed to you. Now look at Plug. Indeed, Plug is doing exactly what we said it would. Good day, all. Hi, Martin. Good. Any thoughts on Funware? Of course, Funware is pumping now because Donald Trump is likely to become the president of the United States. Still holding and adding Virgin Galactic, not going to sell on a short pump. I'm here for generational wealth. Randy B, good morning to you. Hello there. I really think put all this behind you. Let's grow the family. We don't need to keep hearing about everything we already know. You are an entertainer, so you exaggerate. So what, trolls? Focus on us. You are an entertainer, so you exaggerate. So what, trolls? Focus on us. I like it. Very funny. Martyn, your expertise is 10 out of 10. Forget them Reddit losers. Thank you, Xvidition Files. Thank you. You can do what you like. It's your channel. You can put all your money into SBCE if you like, and no one can say anything, as it's your channel and your money. That's right. Let's hope the market doesn't duff up this weekend. Happy trading, gang. Remember, first of all, I have stocks held with my wife, and hang on a minute, let me look at this a minute. Oh, no idea what that was. A bit strange. As I say, you can trade the S&P as well, just so everyone's absolutely clear on that. Someone had to say it. Thanks, Sensei. There you go. Right. Now then, it's 5 minutes to go. We've addressed that information. So if you want to put your question before the flight, if there's things you want to know from Eric, please do message me. And basically what I want you to do, and I want to know it's only members doing it, please go on to any of my videos, comment to a video. I will see you're a member, and then I will put those questions to Eric, okay? All right, very, very important, that. Okay. Okay, we've got reviews to do this morning. Let's go for our positions. Here we go. The overall portfolio today. Where are we today? Let's have a quick look. And we're up today, made 147. Now, this is another point about the S&P 500. I've had people say to me, what a waste of time, what a sap account that is, even though it is what it is. Someone said to me before, owning Coca-Cola is a complete waste of time. Well, it doesn't seem to do too much to Warren Buffett. It's all about investing in yourself and earning enough money to buy something, and you'll do well. So yes, it won't go up 20% in a day like Virgin Galactic will. But however, if you invest in yourself and earn enough money and trade it as well, because you of course can trade the S&P just like every other stock, then actually, if you own enough of it, it does make a difference. Now, what I'm trying to do is make $300 every day consistently. That's my target, $300 every day. Now, if I can make $300 a day, that's quite a bit of money, right? That's $1,500 a week. Very happy with that. Very happy with that. And that is what we're aiming to do. Today, we're up so far 146 on this account and 80 on this account. So there you go. We're over halfway there already. But anyway, so plus the dividends, and I'll be taking the cash. I will be trading on my Roth, tax-free, remember, so I can, when I identify that the index has reached a certain point, I will take some profit, drop it back down again and do it again. And when the dividends come, they'll be held in cash. At the moment, I've got $94,000 of buying power available to me. So if I decide to spend $94,000 to trade, I can jump in and trade for a day or an hour or a minute, no problem at all. And $94,000, even at 1%, is quite a considerable amount of money. So get ready to see me do that. I could do that at any point if I decide it's the right thing to do. Right, let's have a look. You see my overall portfolio, my overall position. Now let's go through the stocks. 194, we're coming up to a minute before the bell. Here we go. We're going to, in this next minute, we're going to get, here it comes in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, 1 minute to go. We need to get 50 likes on the show. Here we go. There are 106 people watching. Let's have a look. 106. The most we can get is 52, because that's 50%, because the rest of you aren't signed into Google. It's probably those on Reddit. They don't sign into anything. All right, 19. Are you ready? Let's refresh it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The most we can possibly get is 50. We're at 42. There we go. We've got 30 seconds to go before the bell goes. Let's see if we can do it. We've got 109 watching. So 50, 52, 53 is about the most you can get. Let's do it again in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 49. We need one more in 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 54, we smashed it. There goes the bell. There goes the bell. And we are off to the races. And let's go through the positions. Are you ready? Here we go. Let's see what's moving right now. Virgin Galactic is on the way up. Virgin Galactic is moving. Getting ready for Bitcoin crash, says. Get ready for a short squeeze. Let's have a look here. Jenny, instead of Coca-Cola, consolidated 856. The stock focuses on distribution network of Coca-Cola. Thank you, Jenny, for that information. I watched your videos all weekend. Fisker is short squeezing. Hope you still have your shares on my ex. No, I don't. I don't have any Fisker shares. I don't have any Fisker shares. No, I don't. Can't be in everything, right? Okay, Virgin Galactic is pumping up. Let's have a little look. Virgin Galactic is going up. Palantir is doing well today. Up. Gold is down. The S&P is going up. Very nice indeed. SoFi is up 5%. Amazon up, pulling back. Apple going up. Next Era Energy going back down again. Enphase Energy 106. Coca-Cola is falling away this morning. J&J is flat right now. Kenvue is down. Chevron is going down. Oil is going down. Tesla is going down. 211. Time to buy Tesla. Rivian going down. McDonald's going up. Look at that. Fantastic. Google going up. Microsoft going down, but was up. Still up. Walmart is up 0.14. Tilray, rubbish. Now under $2 again. Down she goes. Robinhood up. It's a 4x. Congratulations if you're holding it. IonQ, still too expensive. Rocket Lab taking off. The flight's around the corner. Funware is pulling right back down. It went up this morning and now it's given back up again. Rumble, same thing. Anything to do with Donald Trump is up and down like a bloody yo-yo. I won't touch it. Funware is up at the moment, 22%. Absolutely great. FFIE going all the way back down again. Maybe it's now all over for FFIE. Sidus Space, Sidu, 7.79. This is a good time to buy it now. Lilium is 84 cents. Let's look at our plug. Plug is 3.92, just pulling back. Someone mentioned Fisker, so let me open up Fisker for you and let's have a quick look. I said that this could short squeeze. Let's have a look. FSR. I'm not in this one, but there you go. There's the short squeeze. I said it, and there it is. So the information was out there. Now, for those of you who are going, oh yeah, he's saying it now. Yep, I said it ahead of time. I used fundamental analysis, technical analysis to establish these stocks. And if you look on my video page, there it is. There is the short squeeze for Fisker. I announced it 14 hours ago and it's beginning. I also announced the short squeeze for Google. It's beginning. This is another one that can do very, very well as well. That's Polestar. The reviews are there if you want the full analysis. These are what I think, these are the updated news on the short squeezes. And this playlist here on the homepage is the full list of I think I've done about 55 now reviews, and I've identified many buy-in positions, many short squeezes, so go and check that out if you want to be informed. There you go, short squeeze, fantastic. Let's have a look. Let's go back to fun at the FSR. 23, there it is. There it is. There it is. I announced it over the weekend. I put the information out. I hope you all took advantage of it. I'm not in it. Not in it at all, but there it is. Fantastic. Very, very good indeed. And let's update everybody on that. FSR. FSR. It's FSR 1 and 4. Awesome morning. Awesome morning. Really great. Okay, fantastic. Let me do this quickly then. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, Fisker FSR, exactly as predicted to the moment. Perfect. Now, what we've got right now is a short squeeze occurring. This is just the beginning, though. And if you want to know why exactly this is happening, you need to know where to get in, where to get out. This could go up very, very quickly. This is just the beginning. So let me give you the information that you need. If you look here on the homepage of my channel, over the weekend, I did the analysis. I put together all the numbers and I presented to you my case for this morning. There it is. You can see 14 hours ago of Fisker short squeezing. You can go and check that out. That's on the homepage of my channel. But also you need to look at the this here. This is the alpha spread. My full review list. Okay, if you go down here, you will see that I reviewed Fisker a short while ago. If we scroll down here, I'm not going to spend too much time laboring on this video, but if you go down here, I gave you the full analysis of why this stock could move. In fact, it's going to take me too long. I don't think I can find it quick enough. I'm making this during a live video. I've probably missed it. There it is. There's the information there. Go and check out this full review and you'll know exactly when to get out of this stock. And also last night I pointed out the news of what's going on. There's a lot of negative news that's out with Fisker last night, and I reported to you and I shared with you the inside trades, who's buying, what news is reliable. Go and check that out. Remember, I am simply providing the facts. Think of me as the BBC. In America, you have CNN and Fox. They both have opinions. I'm the BBC. I give you the news, the numbers. You can do what you want with them. But the information was all there. And what we've got now is the beginning of a short squeeze. This is not it in total. Let's have a quick look at the volume right now. Let's refresh the volume and have a look. We need some volume. We need more volume for it to really take off. So let's have a quick look at the volume right now. Here's a little bit of selling right now. Let's have a look. The volume this morning, if I zoom on in, is 10 million at the moment. The average is 41 million. So we've got a quarter of the volume in the first few minutes. So this is just the very beginning of a short squeeze. Let's be absolutely clear. This is not enough. We want double this to really short squeeze, okay? So it's great, but just remember to set your stop trading loss so you don't lose money on the way up. It's very exciting to see. I'm very, very happy for everyone who watched my video over the weekend. I put analysis out all the time, told you what was going to happen, and I wish everyone the best. However, set yourself a stop trail order that will trail up with the stock. Thereby, you'll protect yourself. But remember, there's not a guarantee a stop trail loss will work. There are some brokerages who offer an insurance to make sure it works. It's not always the case because the stock can drop very, very quickly. And if it does, don't think that you're guaranteed to get out. Now, I'll tell you from experience, I have got out every single time. There's never been an issue. But you have to let everyone know it can happen. It can drop so quickly, you just don't get out, and it will sell on a much, much, much lower level. So there we go. Fisker, great day for Fisker. There is some information out on the stock. Go and check out my last video. Click above my head. I will give you all the links to Alpha Spread, where I do my reviews. All my members can get a free plan or a premium plan with a 10% discount, which basically makes my membership for free. Or down below here, the links. The links are always below in the description of the video. Over here, I will put the analysis and the short squeeze. So that will tell you when to get out and when's the right time. The information will be over here. Be very, very careful with your money. It's easy to make money. Simple. The hard part is to keep it. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, there we go. Let's go back into the main portfolio. Where are we right now? What else is moving? You can see I'm up today $180 on my main account, and 100. There we go. $280. My target is $300 a day. I've virtually done it. My target is $300 a day. $1,500 a week. That's my target. As you can see today, I am up 112 and 200. So I've done it. I have made my target today. I've made $300 today. That'll do for me. I'm very happy with that. $300 a day is more than I deserve. So I am very, very happy holding my positions. And as soon as we get some drops, I've got $94,000 to buy it all over again. And I'll be very happy with that. Right, let's go through our positions right now. How many likes did we get in the end? Let's refresh it. Let's see how many we got in the end. 50 is about the most we can get right now because there's only 100 watching. So let's have a quick look. Share it on the screen. 107. So Fisker, what am I talking about? 54, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 63. Well, that's fantastic. Thank you ever so much indeed, everybody who liked the video. Thank you so much. All right. Virgin Galactic, 199, up 3.5%. Great stuff. Now, we've got the flight in a couple of days' time. I expect to be having a conversation today or tomorrow with the investor relations. My members can put questions to him. So let's see if we're going to have Arnold Schwarzenegger or Paris Hilton on the plane, on the rocket, sorry. Palantir up 7%. Fantastic. Looking great. I'm loving it. Let's have a look here. What else have we got? Let's have a look at that. That looks good. Just checking a few things. Okay. Gold, the S&P is up 0.5%. Amazon going back down. Apple's firing away. Now, I also alerted you to Apple, didn't I? This is important as well. So a little update here on Apple. There's a good reason for this. I'll explain why. If you missed it, I put the information out for you. So a quick update on Apple. We'll go out later. The time is 1:10. AAPL 110. Okay. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Apple today up 1.27. Why? Well, you should already know why if you smash the like button. Because if you smash the like button, it will magically pop out of the screen and tell you. We know exactly why Apple is up. If we look here on my homepage of the channel, I put the information out 2 days ago, just before the weekend started. All to do with the Vision Pro. It's selling out. It's on back order now. There's money available in the market. People are buying this insanely expensive device. I will love one. I would love to get one. And there it is. Apple are going to make bucos of money, to put a very layman's term on it. But they're going to make bucos of money. It's selling out faster than I expected. And we're going to see Apple go way over $200, which is great for me because I own it on the S&P. And it's 7% of the S&P. So this is very, very nice indeed. There's the information. If you've missed it, go and check it out. It's on the homepage of my channel. I will give a link to it for you. Now, it's very, very important, though, to remember we've got earnings season. We are getting a bit of a bounce now on a lot of our top stocks. However, we've got earnings season starts tomorrow. Tomorrow, we're going to cover live on the show J&J. So be very, very careful. A lot of this stuff could retrace back down again. But I am looking to buy back in when we get the news of the earnings. Always a good time because, as you know, I hold my stocks externally on my wife's account, but I own all my investments are all fully here in the S&P. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover all the earnings live. We're going to see a drop on the earnings, no doubt about it. There's always volatility on earnings, and the S&P will drop with it. Remember, it trades 24 hours a day, so after hours I can still trade it. I can then, before the earnings, sell my Roth IRA position of the S&P, tax-free, and then when we get the earnings out, boom, it drops quickly. You can jump on in and buy it, and then it will come back up again because I'm expecting good things on the earnings. However, there's always the expectation people are not happy with the forecast or the projections or whatever, the ongoing figures. So people always get a little bit, it's not enough, and the guidance and stuff like that. So you can always make money on the earnings. Anyway, if you want the link for my review and the news on Apple, click it above my head or down here in the description. I'll also put it over here. I want to make sure that you know exactly when to get in and when not, and how much I predict the stock going to. And check that all out. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Let's go back to Plug. Plug. Yes, it's speeding up now. Plug power is moving. Fantastic. Now, this is great. It's really gaining speed now. I'm loving this. I hope many of you got the advantage with Plug. Let me whoops. This is so cool. So happy for everybody. So happy that everyone's making money this morning. Right. I need to warn everybody because I don't want anyone to lose all their profit, because that's what comes next. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. I'll do that again. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Plug power, exactly as we thought. It is short squeezing, but there's a warning here, and I just want to alert everyone to it. Please tap the like button to share this out to more people. I want everyone to know. We said this ahead of time. We knew this was going to happen, and I'm very, very pleased for everyone who watched this video. Let me share with you what I'm talking about, but you need to know exactly when to get out right now and what's coming up for the report tomorrow. So first of all, as you can see, there is the 4 days ago, I did the analysis on Plug and explained what Plug is, exactly what it was going to do. And then I followed it up with, on the homepage, there it is, the short squeeze. That was 2 days ago, telling you exactly what was going to happen, when it was going to happen, based upon numbers, not based upon, people's opinions or paid investors, paid analysts. I do it all for free. But anyway, the point is, what you need to be aware of right now, we are getting a pump on Plug. This is not a short squeeze, unlike Fisker. Right now, we do not have enough volume, and there's not enough short interest compared to Fisker. It's nowhere near. Another one that just is starting to squeeze as we speak. Now then, very, very important points to give you. First of all, tomorrow, and hopefully I'll cover it live on the show, we're going to hear from the CEO, Andy Marsh, about Plug and what's happened. We know what's happened, but we're going to hear directly from them. And what we're talking about is the deal that's been done to sell 1 billion shares of Plug. But the thing is, it's not all going to happen at once, and it hasn't happened yet either. It's the intention. It will be done in batches of small amounts of millions. You get my point, right? But it's not all going to happen at once. But also, we've got earnings season, which starts tomorrow with J&J. This will affect the overall market. So this is my strategy. This is my thoughts on the stock. Even though I was absolutely right, it did not short squeeze. It did pump today, no doubt about that. We can clearly see that. I bought it at 225. We know it's going up. However, now might be a good time to take some money off the table, because tomorrow we'll get more of an insight from Andy Marsh. Hopefully I can cover it live. That's my plan anyway, but tomorrow is going to be very busy with earnings, but I will do my best. Be very, very careful. And if you bought when I did at 225, you can make a handsome profit here. Really, really nice. So, I had like $11,000, was it $11,000? Something like that. So, huge amount of profit available to you right now if you did this. And also we've got tomorrow night as well, after hours, Microsoft. Now, Microsoft is one of the big caps with J&J in the morning. So we're going to get some volatility on the markets So this could be an opportunity now for you to just scalp this and then buy it back again. So anyway, be very, very careful. Please do like the video if you like this content, and consider subscribing to my channel. If you want the link to the full review, the full analysis, unbiased, unpaid, so you know the levels to get in and get out, there is the information also below in the description. All my members can get access to AlphaSpread, the software that I use. It's the most advanced algorithmic software, and basically you'll get a 10% discount, and it will make my membership for free. Everybody, non-members, you can also get a free plan as well, completely free. Go and check that out as well, but that just limits how many stocks you can review. Over here, I will put for you the plug analysis. Go and see it, and also I will put for you the short squeeze information as well. Go and check that out. Really, really important. And I wish you all the very best. Loads of money. Remember, it's easy to make money on the stock market. It's easy. I find it extremely easy. The hard part is to keep it. Don't lose the profit you've just made. If you've just made 10%, you've made what you're going to make in a year on the S&P. Take your profits. Remember how to exit and how much tax you're going to pay as well. And then what do you do next? It's not a game of checkers. It's a game of chess. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Wow. How about that, folks? How about that? All right, going back to my portfolio here, of course, I have to be impartial, which gives you the best information. So know that I'm not pumping or dumping a stock. My accounts here are all the S&P. I review it all for you, so you know exactly that I'm not in any way influencing anything at all, or, you know, trying to pump one way or another. Absolutely not. My aim is to make $300 every single day. And as you can see at the moment, I am surpassing that. We've made $200. Let me share with you on the screen. I've made $205 in this account. And so, yeah, there we go. 320. I've more than made my allocation. That's all I want to do. This is the road to $1 million. My portfolio is the road to $1 million and 10 million subscribers. That's exactly what I'm aiming on doing. Anyway, let's read the comments. Plug go through the early lower of the, what does he say there? Member for 2 months. Mitch NL, thank you very much indeed. Plug moving now. Let's have a look. Radiant Smile. I can review a stock for you if you are a member of my channel. I can review it and do a full hour, up to an hour long video, but it's a members only perk. If you'd like me to give you the link for that, I will. Here is the link. We've got a list of reviews to do. We're going to do another one in a minute. There we go. Plug moving now. Check it out. Life-saving money. Let's have a look. LIM is no-brainer invest. Woohoo. Radiant. Lilium now is up 6% today. Everything's booming. Yes, I did. Mitch NL. Enphase Energy not doing bad as well. Enphase Energy up. 9%. Enphase Energy. Fantastic. Up $500 today. Radiant Smile. Congratulations. FSK. How much will it go? We need to look at the review, and it explains everything to you. Please be very, very careful. Take your profits wherever you can. Very, very important. All right. Okay. Look at Enphase Energy. Let's have a quick look at it. I'm very excited for everybody this morning. This is really great news. Really, really great news. Everything is booming. I won't FOMO though. I'll wait for people to trim. Radiant Smart, you're absolutely spot on. That is absolutely right. Good morning all. Enphase, go, go, go. Enphase is going crazy now. Absolutely right. Plug is up. Rumble is up. This is Donald Trump. Funware is up. My gosh, are things exploding this morning? Unbelievable. Cyberspace now down 5%. Virgin Galactic up nearly 6% now. Look at this. Very, very nice indeed. Let's go back to Fisker, with Fisker's 34% now. 34%. This is incredible stuff. Love it. SoFi is moving up. I wouldn't touch it. It's rubbish. The CEO talks rubbish. What happened to ARM Holdings? Wow, Rallo 1. Martin, my plug was 30% down. I purchased another 1,000 on a massive dip. I'm now only 4% down. That's you that taught me this. Simply awesome. Buckaroony, you are very, very welcome. I'm so glad that you've made money from it. It's wonderful, absolutely wonderful. I'm glad that everyone, all my members, everyone that watches the channel, every day, the Lucas Age, you should all be making money today. I gave you all these, the Fisker one, the FSR. We told you that one. There was bucos of money to be made there. There was bucos of money to be made on Plug, Enphase Energy. I mean, it's everywhere. I mean, literally all the ones that I said we're going to short have, or I've started to. I'm very, very pleased for everyone. Congratulations, everyone. I'm up 3% with Enphase as my second biggest position. Crazy. I'm loving it. Yes, the hard part is to keep it. Can easily get trapped bag holding. Let's hope we get good earnings and PCE dates on Friday. I'm going to be covering Jerome Powell on Friday. So let's take a few moments. This is great. Now then, we've got a fantastic audience right now, 122. The most likes we could get would be 60. Shall we have some fun? In fact, because everyone's making so much money today, let's see if we can get 80 likes. You ready? Let's push it. You ready? Here we go. 80 likes. Everyone's making money.
1991.
Let's go.
People are living together and
smash the like button if you like it. Tap the down like if you don't. I don't mind what you do. Just do something. 122 watching. We want 80 likes. You ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 71. Just 9 more. Absolutely fantastic. Everyone's making so much money. I'm absolutely thrilled to bits. Are you ready? Here we go again. 80, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 79. One more like and we've smashed it. Way over 50% of the people that are watching. One more in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 79 in 84. We smashed it. Fantastic. What a great day it's been today. We are making record amounts of money. Everyone is beating the market. It's great. I'm loving it. Congratulations to all of you. All I want to do is make $300 a day, and I'm now at, let's have a quick look. Let's have a look at it. 222. There we go. 343. Yep, brilliant. Brilliant. That's all I want to do. $300 a day. Fantastic. All of you made good moves. Congratulations to all of you. Virgin Galactic 6.77. Plug up 8.7. The S&P is up. Amazon down slightly. Apple is up 1.49. Showed you why. Next Era Energy up. Enphase, look at that, 10%. Great. This is a $300 stock. Coca-Cola, it's an $80 stock. Johnson & Johnson is a $200 stock. Kenvue back to 30. Chevron oil. Tesla, 215. Listen to Cathy Wood, it could be any number you want. Rivian just follows it. McDonald's going back down. Google up. Microsoft down. Walmart down. Tilray, 2.75. I still think it's rubbish. Robinhood, it's a 4x. IonQ, too expensive. Rocket Labs, great. This can double. Plug. There it goes. Short squeeze. Just like predicted. There it goes. It's just beginning though. Rumble. Funware. It's all trading on Donald Trump. Donald Trump's probably going to be the president of the United States. Numbers. That's what the numbers say. Sida Space down. Lilium up 8%. Bitcoin down 1%. Polygon down 1.8, XRP down 1.92, Fisker, the short squeeze is gaining momentum. 39%. Look at that. Take your profits, take your money. My first comment here today was a good gut feeling about Plug, and I was right. Luna is up 14%. Martyn, why do you say SoFi CEO talks nonsense? I will explain in a minute. Enphase up 11%. Fisker is booming. One final look. 84 likes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We've got 91. Absolutely fantastic. We smashed it. That's about 90% of everyone's liked it. And that doesn't mean 10% haven't liked it. It means they're not signed in. People are signing in just so they can be part of the family, which is fantastic. I'm really, really chuffed. Now then, before we carry on, I've got some reviews to do. Let me just shut down a couple of things here in a minute. Close a few windows. I want to welcome our guest today. This is where I talk to my CEO. This is how I make my contacts. Find out what's going on for you. Let me go hi in LinkedIn. I'll give you the LinkedIn there. If you want to follow me on LinkedIn, you are welcome. There is LinkedIn. That's where I meet. Where I'm setting up my interviews. Let's go into Kick right now. Let me drop a hi all into my Kick audience. Hi to all of my Kicksters. Thank you to you. What about Rumble? Let me go into all of you. Welcome to all of you. It, of course, has to just play an ad. Let me just get round the ad. There we go. Skip the ad. Oh, there's another one. I've never earned any money from Rumble, by the way, even though I have all these ads. It never makes me any money. Good morning to all of you on Rumble. Welcome to you. My Twitchers as well. If you've got Amazon Prime and you want to subscribe to me for free on Rumble, on Twitch, it gives me a couple of bucks a month tip for free. Amazon own Twitch. So if you use Amazon Prime and you link it to your Twitch account and you subscribe to me, I get a $2 tip every month. It helps the channel. I put it all back into the show. It doesn't cost you anything at all. You just use your Amazon Prime. They give you a free subscription every month. You've got to manually renew it every month because they don't do it for you. They don't want to spend their money. But if you want to support me, you can on Twitch. Of course, it's Martyn Lucas Investor on Twitch. All the links are below. And lastly, my Facebook audience and my X audience. Let me just jump into you guys and make sure I've done that. So here's the Facebook. Okay, here we go. Let me go hi all. Thanks to everyone that likes it every day. There's that. And okay, and X. Same thing. Hi all to you. Okay. Now then, have I got any comments to answer here on X? I try to answer everyone's questions. You only do a 0.5 put on this stock, and I'm not sure what that means. I will reply to that later. No moaning today. Go, go, go. Yes, yes, yes. Reply to all of my members. Yes. Whoops. So if you want to grow on X, I will tag you in my viral posts and you'll all make money. Now, Fisker, just let you know, is starting to trim off. That's why I gave you the review of telling you when to get out. So don't get caught and end up losing all the money that you could have made, all right? There was free money on the table there. Loads of money, in fact. Ridiculous amounts of money. I want to thank my 5 new followers on X. This is incredible. We've got Guy, Stefan, welcome to you. We've also got Heracles. I want to thank CD322. Sing Louis. I want to thank all my followers. I'm getting about 5 a day now. It's pretty incredible. Michael Brandt, thank you to you. And thank you, Razor Sharp. Razor Sharp's got 1,300 followers. Congratulations and thank you very much for supporting me. I think I've covered all of that. There is a private message there. I will look at that one later. In fact, I'll look at it now in case it's important. Okay. Thank you. I will deal with that later. Right. Awesome stuff. Right. I think we've covered everything. Right. Okay, what's next? Fisker is running. Yes, but it can dump now. Be very, very careful. How do I become a member? I need a review. How do you become a member? Here is the link. It's below every video. It's on all my socials, on the website. It's now in the chat. Now then, if you are on an iPhone, you will need to go into a browser on your iPhone, any browser, and go to the bottom of the browser and select desktop site for that link to work. Any other device, any other thing, it works perfectly fine. Okay, the reason for that is Google don't want Apple to take a bit of commission. All right, that's why it is. So if you are on an iPhone, the only thing is you'll need to go down to a browser and at the bottom scroll to the request a desktop version. Okay, very, very important. Wrap is a company owned by a previous owner of Taser Axon. They had a product less lethal than Taser. It's already saved lives. Well, I'm happy to do a review on it, but you need to be a member. Anyway, ASTS up 6%. Fisker is running. Yes, but please be careful. Going to buy more Lilium tomorrow and people sell off. Good idea. Holy cow, Lilium is up. Up. There you go. Made 11% on plug. Thank you for the information, Martin. You're very, very welcome. I'm glad you've made some money. Please make sure that you don't end up losing it. It was free money. It was given to you. For God's sake, take it. Anyway, if you don't, somebody else will. All right. Okay. Now then, I've got to wrap up the show because I've got reviews to do, and I want to make sure I get the reviews done. We've got lots of reviews to do, and I've also got to make some other videos as well. So we've got J&J, Microsoft. So here we go. This is important now. This is just a quick announcement. We're covering the earnings tomorrow, J&J. So the time now is 1:35. 1:35. J&J. Okay. This is important. It's a market trendsetter tomorrow. J&J earnings tomorrow. Join us live for the earnings. You don't want to miss this one. This is a $200 stock. We've got full analysis on our channel. Go and check it all out. But tomorrow we'll be covering the live earnings. Very, very important. It's the first of the mega caps to report tomorrow. This will set the whole market. And then later on the evening, we have Microsoft will also be covering all of that as well. So make sure that you don't miss that. Click above my head down here. I'll also post it over here as well. And I'm also giving away $100 in cash as well. You don't need to be a member. It's free to enter, free for all. It's on my website. All the links are below. Don't miss out on it. I'm giving away $100 for free and some merchandise completely free. Join us for the J&J earnings. You don't want to miss it. Always an opportunity on earnings. Till then, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay. That's tomorrow night. We'll be covering that. And MSFT, Microsoft is tomorrow as well. This is important. Oh, hello. Bear with me a sec. My computer wasn't turned in. That explains why the lights are flashing. Right. I've had a bit of a shutdown in the studio, but never mind. I'm on top of it. Okay. Okay, hopefully we'll be good now. Microsoft earnings, very, very important, this one. It's going to set the whole market. It's earnings season. Earnings season is about to begin tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, we're doing J&J, and tomorrow night, after the closing bell, we have got Microsoft. It's so important. The markets are pumping today, but you've got to be very, very careful. You've got to know when to get in and when to get out. I will be covering the earnings live, bringing you all the information so we can study and learn when to get in and when to get out and where we're going to go for the rest of the year. This This is the first major earnings of the year. Microsoft, click above my head down here. I'm also going to give away $100 in cash. You don't need to be a member. It's free to enter, free for all. I just like giving money away. I make money every day. I share it with you. Okay. Over here, you'll see the Microsoft earnings. Join us for that. You don't want to miss it. And any other information I think is important. Join us for the earnings tomorrow night. J&J in the morning, Microsoft in the evening. Until then, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, Microsoft. That'll go out later. Let's have a quick look. Can you review SoFi? Cham. Let me just scroll up a second. Cham, yes, I can. Let me put you on the list. I can review SoFi for you. All right, so SOFI, SoFi. Okay, and this is Cham. We're a KKODY. It's on the list. Done. It's on the list. I've got it there for you. Yes, I did also as well, but not feeling confident. Became a member. Radiant Smile has just become a member of our channel. Would everybody please welcome Radiant in? I know you all will. Let me give you all your perks and benefits. I believe he wants to have a review. So let me write that down first of all. So the ticker is WRAP. Give me the name of the company as well. Give me the name of the company as well, not just the ticker. So I make sure it's the right one. Radiant Smile. So give me the name of the company and I'll write that down. I've added it to the list. Thank you. Now, Radiant Smile, before we carry on, I want to welcome you in. Would everybody please welcome Radiant Smile into the show? Let me know what country you're from, because we have members in 55 countries, and if we don't have your country recognized, we'd like to fly the flag for you. You now have a badge which will recognize you. You get many perks. The price of your membership will never go up. There's no inflation here, and I will continually give you more and more benefits. It's the best investment you'll ever make. You get 20 times back what you put in. I will work harder and harder for you. I've got the ticker. I need the name of the company. RAP Technologies. Thank you very much. Let me copy that and write that down. Okay, thank you very much indeed. That's now on the list. Yes, your benefits will always go up, but the cost will never go up. That's my promise to you. Write that down. Putting your there you go. There's your review. Now then, your review is at the bottom of the list. It might take a while to get to it. If you ever want to bump it to the top, then you do a super chat and it will bump to the top. That's entirely up to you if you want to jump the queue. But we have about 5 at the top at the moment with their super chat. So just bear that in mind. And the way it works is it's the super chat that pays the most goes to the top. Makes sense? Anyway. So what country are you from? You're from the USA. Fantastic. We have many people here from the USA. It's our #1 audience, but we actually go out on our show in 14 different languages to 55 countries. Fantastic. The Dominican Republic, L. Simpson. I think we already have a member from the Dom Rep. I'm not sure. I think we do. Yes, we do. We do have a member from the Dominican Republic. Anyway, so now as a member, apart from the badge, you also get, of course, you can have a review. You can ask the audience a poll, ask them a question. I can do that for you. There is exclusive content only for members. There's live questions, which I'll put to Virgin Galactic and other companies that I'm going to interview. Only members can ask those questions. Members only videos here, look, you see on the homepage of the channel. Members only live streams. Lots of my really important information go out to the members first so they can benefit from the very time-sensitive news items. I go like up to 10 hours a day for the members. It's most people become a member just to support the live shows because they love the show and they want to be part of the family. And I'm not a YouTuber. YouTuber just makes videos and that's how they make the money. For me, I go live up to 10 hours a day to be the most honest, real person. I don't make money from live shows. I do it to help people. That's why I do it, and that's why I've sacrificed my own stocks to gain independence, to bring you the most accurate information, and now able to get the information from the companies, all right? I'm here to help people. That's what it's all about. So thank you for becoming a member. Also, you may or may not know, I'm the World Piano Man. This is my music studio. As a member now, you can have a birthday celebration. You can donate it to somebody else if you prefer to do that. I will do a birthday song for you live in the show. You get to keep it. People pay $500 for that service. You get that for free. And also you get a free request on the concert on Friday. Every Friday we have a music concert. It's the Virgin Galactic Party. There it is on my music channel. So if you're going to subscribe now to my music channel, I will give you a free song request on Friday if you join us, or any Friday, because we're live every single Friday. Please go and subscribe to my sister channel, which is my music channel. I was named the World Piano Man. You also can call in live to the show. You can be live on the show. You can be a guest. In here is the live phone in. You can be live on the show, express your thoughts, ask the audience for help, questions, you name it. You can also access Discord 24/7. Soon there's going to be a 24-hour live stream where you can talk to the members 24 hours a day and gain information. But right now, that's all being done on Discord. Here is Discord. It will take 10 minutes for you to get through the security of it, but I will give you the link to it right now. And here it is. And in about 10 minutes, I will be able to upgrade your account manually on the show so you can see me do it. All right. There is the Discord link. See it there? If you go to Discord, I will share with you how it works. So go to the Welcome All. The Welcome All is the top left-hand screen. That's where it will bring you to. Scroll to the bottom and I will say, hi, here, Radiant. And all my members now will come in and welcome you with a friend. We're a friendly bunch. Everyone is free to speak. Everyone can have different opinions, but we're all here for the benefit of everybody else. We're not here to have a one-sided rant or argument. We're here to help each other, all right? Come in there and I'll upgrade you. Now, Eric B has become a member recently. He's back again, which is great. Eric B, let me make sure that you are a member of my channel again. No, you're not. No, you're not. You're not a member or a friend of mine. So Eric B, please confirm you are in the chat. Eric B, I don't think he's here. Eric B, if you are here, hi Martin. So let me just reply to you. Let me do that now. Please confirm this is you in YouTube chat. Okay, excellent. Hopefully he'll do that and I'll upgrade you. All right, that's Discord. So there's some of your perks. I hope you'll enjoy being part of our family. I'm here to help you in any way I can. That is my aim of this channel. All right. Welcome, Radiant, says Mike. The review is written down. When is Tesla earnings? Tesla earnings. I'll be covering the Tesla earnings on the 24th. It is January 24th. After hours, I'll be covering it live on the show. Anyone heard from Stephen Lewandowski? Yes, he is here. Welcome, Radiant, from Brian Bynum. Welcome to the family. I am here. Company name wrap, we got that now. Phoebe, our latest member, who also is a lady, by the way. We have more ladies now joining, which is nice. How don't know how to use YouTube. I'm new. How I subscribed. L. Simpson. I'm not quite sure what that means. How don't know how to use YouTube. I'm new. L. Simpson, what is your native language? I will talk to you in your language. What is your language? But you are a subscriber because you're in the chat. Eric B, I'm over on Discord. Is that you, Eric B? Can you confirm, Eric B? Just confirm that is you, Eric. Just say, yes, that is me. I need to upgrade you. I just need you to say in the chat, it's you. Is this you on the... Is this... Whoops. Is this you on the screen? Okay, just tell me that's you and I'll upgrade your account. Okay. Welcome, Radiant Smile. There we go. Journey. Didn't expect solar pump so high. I've been saying it forever. Absolutely. What's the highest super chat right? What's the highest super chat right now? Eric B. I have my badge. There you go. Eric B. Just say to me, is this you? All I want you to do is confirm, is that you on YouTube? Discord won't let me select a server. No, it does work if you use my link. You just need to verify your email. It takes 10 minutes to get through. Eric B, I just need you to confirm that is you. Let me give you the link to Discord again. Very, very important. As long as you verify your email, it will work. Eric, just confirm this is you. You just got to say yes. You're saying I have my badge. It doesn't mean anything to me. I need to know that is you. Just say that's you and I'll know it's you. Okay? I'll come back to that. What's the highest super chat right now? The highest super chat was what was it? What was the highest super chat? Hang on a minute, I've got a coffee arrived. Can someone remind me what the highest super chat was from MSK? I think it was a $200. Was it $200? I think it was $200, the highest super chat. MSK. Yes, that is you. Fantastic. Thank you, Eric B. All right, now I can go back to you. And the first thing I'm going to do is give you a role of membership. And you can now see everything and be part of the show. I'm going to add you as a friend as well. Please accept the friend request within 1 minute. I will delete it in 1 minute so you don't get bombarded with those pretending to be me. Remember, the only real me is the one with the username Martyn Lucas spelt correctly. So make sure that you do that, okay? All right, so you've got a minute to accept the friend request. Otherwise, I will delete it. Mitch NL, another person here. Are you a member? Yes, you are. Yep, we're all friends. That's all good. Fantastic. Good. Just being quiet and lurking. Sick with a touch of RSV. What's RSV? Get well, mate. You know what's coming. Yes, there it is. MSK is in the chat. He is saying £200. There you go. That was the highest. not $200. No, the highest super chat of all time was £200. Correct. It was. Anyway, so we've got one of our members. Get well, Stephen. All right. I want to see everyone copy and paste, please. Okay. No messing around. Get well, Stephen. I wish it would remember. How do I do? There it is. There we go. There you go. I keep forgetting how to do that. There you go. All right. I don't know if it's going to come up there, if it's going to come up right. But anyway, I tried my best. Thank you, everybody. If Trump's going to be the president, we're all going to eat Stroop waffle. What is that? Plug is going up. Yes, we put all the information about Plug today. Yes, indeed. I know all of this, Martin. I've been watching you for months. Ha ha. Great. But I just want to make sure that you have all the information. Really enjoyed the show today. Mark Saxby, thank you very much. I'm going to end now because I've got reviews to make, and I want to make some of them off air now. I'm going to make some of them on air as normal, but I want to also make some off air. I've got a lot of catching up to do. Anyway, Stephen, get well soon. Get well soon, oil man. There you go. Can you cover Nicola for us gamblers? Yes, I have covered Nicola. If you go to the homepage of the channel, if you look here, there's a review for Nicola right here on the channel. If you want a full review of Nicola, if you want to get a new review, an updated review, then I'm more than happy to do that. But let me give you Nicola, NKLA. I don't know why I scrolled down. I'm going to, there we go. There it is. There is Nicola. So if I go along here, give you the link, share, copy. There you go. There is Nicola for you. If you want me to do a full review for you, it's a member's service, but there you go. And it is a gamble. It's total gambling at this stage, but there you go. To be clear, that is not a short squeeze. I've explained that. It's the beginning. I've explained there's not enough volume. Flawless cleaning. Yes, indeed. There's not enough volume yet. I've now 20% in cash. Very nice indeed. Yes. Good. Sherry's here. Good morning, Sherry. Eric B. Lovely to have Sherry back here. And lovely to have you here. Get well soon. MSK, £110. Get well, Stephen. Get well. There we go. Lovely. The best value membership is silver. No question about it. The best value membership is silver, but you can be a member for just, you can be a member for bronze, and you can have, I can answer all your questions. Remember, I answer all your questions as well. If you comment to me on YouTube, I will reply to all of your questions as well. It's another thing I do. But bronze is the cheapest way of doing it. The best value is not gold or platinum or investor, is silver. Because if you are a YouTuber, you get extra benefits. I put you on the homepage of the channel. You can have a 20-minute fundraiser. Many perks if you are trying to do things for others, or if you want to go on the homepage of the channel and get priority replies. But let me give you the link. And anyway. Okay. David Warnes, is that you on Discord? Just before I end the show, David Warnes, is that you? Remember, if you are using an iPhone, L. Simpson, you'll need to use a browser and scroll to the bottom and turn on desktop server. Desktop version. Buckaroony, I went on to 150 and 200. Yes, he did. He did. £200 was the biggest super chat we've ever had in the history of the world. Yes. Get well, Stephen. Hi, Martin. Brenda. Queen Brenda. John Grant. Ah! You look great. Brenda's here. Hang on a minute. We got John's wife here. She came on the music channel. Let's say hello to Brenda. Brenda, what did I do for you the other day? Was it Eric Clapton? Was it Eric Clapton? So this is for Brenda. We've got a lady in the house. This is for you, Brenda. Are you ready? I'll do it now. Where is it? Studio One. Okay. I'm going to turn on my echo, my reverb. You ready? This is just for Brenda. Right? So I sound the same. I've just got echo. So this is not voice changing software. It's my real voice live. This is for Brenda. Brenda, would you know my name if I saw you in heaven? There we go, especially there for Brenda, the wife of John Granfor. Lovely to have you here. Welcome to the show this morning. This is where your husband spends half of his life, by the way. But we missed you the other night. You wasn't on the music show. Anyway, yes, many scammers like you on the net. Many scammers like you on the net. What a ridiculous comment. Mike, can you take care of this clown here? We've got someone here spreading false information. I answer everyone and give everyone the voice, but if they're going to be rude and disrespectful, of course, then we'll just get rid of them. Well, you finally did it. There you go. One more time and I'll ban you forever. Yeah, be respectful. He doesn't know how to, does he? Anyway, never mind. He had the chance to be part of the family. He doesn't want to. Oh, that's not what he means. Flawless cleaning. He means the scammers. Mike, I mean a lot, use his name to scam. Mike, we misunderstand him. Okay, that's fine. What Flawless Cleaning is saying, many pretend to be me. They do. On Discord, I have about 20. On TikTok, I have thousands pretending to be me. But there is only one me. If you go to my name on Discord, David Warnes said, yes, that is me. So David Warnes, you are a member. It's the same name. Look, let me show you. I will now give you a role of a member. There you go. I will also become the friend. Add friend. You've got 1 minute to accept it. If you don't accept it in 1 minute, I will delete it, David. So go and accept the friend request. Otherwise, I will delete it. How you know it's the real me? Well, first of all, I'm sitting here talking to you. But profile. Look at my profile. I'm the only Martyn Lucas on Discord with my name spelt correctly. Everybody else will be Martyn Lucas with a dot or a Z or a T, 2 S's, God knows what else. They steal my name and they steal my icon. They are absolutely not me, okay? I will never message you. I will never try to sell you anything. Talking of selling you stuff, I want to thank Rallo1, who went in and bought one of our mugs, our black mugs. These are limited edition black mugs. Thank you, Rallo1. He told me later on it was me who bought it, so thank you very much. Breakfast bar. I missed the breakfast bar this morning. I'm sorry. Will do as soon as I get it. There we go. Send in a picture. I loving it. Mike. Thank you, Mike. Mike, that's the temperature. We're getting weather updates now as well. I love that. YouTube Live, let me update that. Okay. Now then, we need to wrap up the show. I have a friend request from a person called Seals Matzo Photography Films. I can only accept friend requests from members once I've established you're a member in the welcome all. So I will ignore that, I'm afraid. I cannot accept that until you've confirmed who you are in the chat. So I have to ignore it for now, but I will do it once you are in the chat. Okay, once I know you are a member. Okay, I do that to protect my audience. Okay, let's wrap up the show. Let's see who's won today. Who's made the most money today? A lot of you have done very well, I'm sure. Okay, here we go. Flawless Cleaning. Okay, sorry. Please understand, Mike, he loves the channel and he cares about the channel. And sometimes there are mistakes. We misunderstand each other, but I'm glad we've solved it. Flawless is going, I love the show. We're all good. Stephen, get some herbal tea with the honey in. That's right. That's right. Yes, Brenda. Mike, calm down. Yeah. Mike's always doing a great job. Yes, it is me, mate. I've done that. Thanks, Martin. You're very, very welcome. Okay, it's time for Day Trader of the Day. Apologies to Flawless. Mike's fine. There we go. We're all good. I am Seal. There we go. Right, Seal. I can't accept you as a friend yet until I see you in Discord. It's because you've not verified your email. That's why it is. You've got to verify your email and then you'll be able to get in. And once you're in, you will come to the welcome all, which is right here, and I will accept it. So please, once on a live show, I'm live again this afternoon. Once you've come in here and confirmed everything, I will then upgrade you and we'll fix the problem, okay? All right. Nothing funnier than a Welsh person saying animal. Animal. Thank you, Martin. I love that song you do for me. What is the name? It's Tears in Heaven from Eric Clapton. Yeah. Okay. Okay, there you go. Now then, it's time to wrap up the show. I've got to get off and make some more reviews. So I'll be back very, very shortly. Let's see if we could, just as we finish the show, it is time now to do Day Trader of the Day. Are you up? Are you down?
The year is 1991.
Let's see. This would be fantastic for a Monday morning. I don't think we've ever done it before on a normal day. Are you ready? Let's see if we can get 100 likes on a regular Monday morning. You ready? 91. Let's see if we can get 100 likes on a regular show. And put in the chat, are you up or down? I am up 0.33%. There's my money. Let's see who wins Day Trader of the Day. 100. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 102! Oh my gosh! I think that's the best for a Monday morning we've ever had. 102 likes on a regular show. No name, no trending title, nothing. That's absolutely fantastic. Thank you ever so much. Thank you very, very much indeed. Appreciate you all so much. That's the best for a Monday morning we've ever had. 106. Oh my gosh. What about the subscribers? 13,349. Oh, 13,352. Thank you very much indeed for all your love and support. I appreciate it. It is a bit of love. It's a bit of love. Thank you guys. Right, let's see who wins. Oh man, this is crazy. What about the views today? 7,500. Fantastic. Woohoo! So, who's up? Up 7.16, up 5.16. I made $100 a day. Fantastic. That's what it's all about. Everyone makes some money. 7.16. Is that Nonny's the highest? Is Nonny a member? Yes, he is. 2.1. Mints. MNTS up 6.13. Sid is up 3.4. Jardistick is up 5.86. Jose Quintana, 10.3. Jose Quintana is up 10.3. Is that all on one stock? I think it probably is today. It could well be. So, Jose Quintana is the winner today. So, congratulations to you. Well done to you. Thank you for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up. Jose Quintana is the winner. That's it. I've got to get out of here. Back very soon with more reviews, more breaking information. But that's it from me. I'll see you all back in a bit. It's the credits. Let's see who took part in today's show. Who are the stars of today's show? Don't forget, if you want to speak directly to Virgin Galactic before the flight, I am speaking with Virgin Galactic. You can put your questions to them. All you've got to do is reply to any of my videos on YouTube with your question to Eric, and I'll put it to them. Johan Piziu, Gabby, Renzes, and Super Chat, Buckaroony, Rallo1. That's it from me. Have a wonderful afternoon. Thanks for being here. I will see you all back for the closing bell. More reviews on the way. What a great day. Everybody's making money. Congratulations to everyone who made money today. Remember, it's easy to make money. The hard part is to keep it. Until next time, as always, take care of your money, yourselves, your crypto. Most importantly, take care of each other. Bye-bye for now.